What if I told you that right now in your home there's something you can't see, can't smell, and probably don't even think about, but it's slowly affecting your health every single day? It's not smoke, it's not chemicals you spilled, and it's not something dramatic you'd notice right away. It's invisible particles floating in your air, entering your lungs with every breath you take. And the scary part is, almost every home has this problem. But today I'm going to show you a simple $4 box that can help protect everything you own, and more importantly, everyone you love. Before we go further, if you care about your health, your home, and simple solutions that actually work, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Dr. Prime Longevity, because this channel is all about helping you live safer, smarter, and longer with practical tips you can actually use. Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you feel a little tired. Maybe your head feels heavy. Maybe your allergies seem worse indoors than outside. You might blame stress, bad sleep, or even the weather. But what if the real reason is the air inside your own home? Studies have shown that indoor air can actually be more polluted than outdoor air. Dust, pollen, mold spores, pet dander, bacteria, and even microscopic particles from cooking or cleaning products. They all build up in your space. And here's the problem. Most people think air pollution is only outside. They trust their home to be safe. But the truth is, modern homes are sealed tightly, which traps these particles inside. So over time, they just keep circulating again and again and again. Now, here's where things get interesting. You don't need an expensive $300 air purifier to fix this. You don't need complicated tools or professional installation. You can build a simple, effective solution using just a few basic items, and it costs about $4 to start. Let me explain how this works. At its core, this $4 box is a DIY air filtration system. It uses a standard fan and a high-quality air filter. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of letting dirty air float around your home, you actively pull it through a filter that traps harmful particles. Here's what you need. A box fan, which many people already have at home, and a furnace air filter. These filters are designed to trap tiny particles, and they come with ratings called MERV ratings. The higher the number, the better it filters. Ideally, you want something around MERV 11 to MERV 13. Now here's the setup. You place the filter on the back side of the fan, the side that pulls air in. Then you secure it using tape, clips, or even just by placing it firmly against the fan. That's it. When you turn the fan on, it starts pulling air through the filter, capturing dust, allergens, and other harmful particles. It may sound too simple, but that's exactly why it works. Think about it like this. Instead of expensive technology, you're using basic airflow and filtration, something that's already proven and used in large HVAC systems. You're just bringing that same concept into a small, affordable setup anyone can build. And the results? People who use this setup often notice cleaner air within hours, less dust settling on surfaces, fewer allergy symptoms, and an overall fresher feeling in the room. But here's something most people don't realize. This isn't just about comfort, it's about long-term health. Those invisible particles we talked about earlier, over time they can irritate your lungs, worsen asthma, trigger allergies, and even affect your sleep quality. And when your sleep is affected, everything else suffers. Your energy, your focus, even your immune system. So something as simple as cleaner air can actually improve multiple parts of your life. Now let's talk about where to place your $4 box for maximum impact. The best place is wherever you spend the most time. That could be your bedroom, your living room, or even your workspace. If you have pets, placing it near where they spend time can help capture pet dander. If you cook often, placing it near the kitchen area can help reduce airborne particles from cooking. And here's a pro tip. Keep doors and windows closed while using it, especially in high pollution areas. That way, you're actually cleaning the air inside instead of constantly letting new particles come in. Another important thing is maintenance. The filter will eventually collect dust and particles, so you'll need to replace it every few weeks or months depending on usage. But even then, it's still far cheaper than maintaining most commercial air purifiers. Now you might be wondering, if this works so well, why doesn't everyone do it? The answer is simple. It's not flashy. It's not heavily advertised. And it doesn't make big companies money the way expensive devices do. But sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most powerful. And this is exactly what Dr. Prime Longevity is all about. Finding those simple, practical solutions that actually make a difference in your everyday life. Let's take this one step further. Imagine combining this with a few other small habits, like keeping your home clean, reducing clutter where dust collects, and opening windows. Occasionally for fresh air circulation when outdoor air quality is good. Suddenly, you're not just reacting to a problem, you're actively controlling your environment. And that's powerful. Because at the end of the day, your home should be the one place where you feel safe, not just from what you can see, but from what you can't. Now, I want you to think about this for a second. If something costs just a few dollars, takes less than 10 minutes to build, and can improve the air you breathe every single day, is there really a reason not to try it? Exactly. So here's what I want you to do next. After watching this video, take a moment to look around your home. Think about where you spend most of your time, then consider building your own $4 box and testing it for yourself. You might be surprised at how big of a difference something so small can make. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried something like this before? Did it work for you? Or are you planning to build one after watching this? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because your experience might help someone else make a better decision. If you found this useful, don't forget to share this video with someone who cares about their health and their home. Sometimes the smallest ideas can create the biggest impact. And remember, your health isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise. It's also about the air you breathe every single day. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep improving your life one simple step at a time.